Hey friends! Today we're going to draw and color a super cute poppet dolphin. So grab your art tools and let's get started. Glittyartenglish! I start by drawing the mouth first. Then I draw the full body shape, including the dorsal fin on the back and the tail fin at the end. Next, I draw a big round eye and then add some horizontal lines across the body to divide it into colorful sections. Finally, I draw all the round poppet circles inside the dolphin's body. Dolphins are very intelligent animals. They can solve problems, use tools, and even recognize themselves in mirrors, just like humans. Now let's start coloring. First, I color the eye black. Next, I color the top mouth and head area with glitter red. Then, I move down and color the second section with glitter orange. Next, I color the third part, including the dorsal fin with glitter yellow. Dolphins use echolocation to see underwater. They send out sound waves and listen to the echoes to find fish and avoid obstacles, like a natural sonar. I continue by coloring the fourth section with glitter green. Finally, I color the bottom part, including the tail, with glitter purple. And there you have it! Our glittery poppet dolphin looks amazing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome art. See you next time. Bye!